Now I am going to talk about one free certification courses, and the name of the course is Data Cleaning for Machine Learning with Python and Pandas. This course is offered by ItronixSolutions, and this course will be delivered in Hindi languages. So let's see what are the requirements to enroll these courses. Python, Pandas and NumPy. It is a short course. The duration of this course is only 41 minutes. This course includes 3 lessons, and here you will get your full lifetime accesses. You can access this course on your mobile and TV as well. So after completing this course, you will get your free certificate from these courses. So to enroll this course, you just need to simply click over there, get enrolled. When you click over get enrolled, and then here you will get options to log in. So if you have already account in this ItronixSolutions, then you can use your mail and password to log in here. But if you're new here, then you can click over there, sign up. After creating an account, then you can enroll these courses and get your free certificate. So check the video description to get the link of these free certification courses.